everyone, I'm from Nigeria. Wow, guess what? I got my beautiful hair bundles today from Care Hair Factory. Wow, I got this from them. This is super double drawn silky straight hair. Just take a look at this goodness. Take a look at this. Wow. Oh, this is something else. This is something else. Wow, I'm in love with this hair. Just look at this. I'm in love with it. Very wonderful hair texture. The texture is something else. I love it so much. Wow. I equally got this. Wow. Can you see the color? This is exactly what I ordered, and this is what I got. Exactly what I ordered for. This color is amazing. You can comb it, brush it anyhow you want it. Just be rest assured that it's not going to shred. It comes out just the way it is. Just look at this. Look at this. Wow, Care Hair Factory. Thank you so much. I want to specially thank Trixie Hair. Trixie, you are just too much. I love your good customer service. Trixie, you did so much. Thank you for all the love that you showered on me, your customer. Thank you so much. Can you see this hair? I'm in love with this hair. And to think of it that they send gifts. Look at their gifts. Look at this wonderful lipstick. This is amazing. I've started using it already. It's so lovely. Thank you so much, Trixie. And this lovely bag. Wow. And this lovely bag. Just look at this goodness. Thank you so much, Trixie. Guess what? I'm going to order more and more hair from you. I'm not about to stop. You have won my heart. Thank you so much, Trixie. I love you. Bye.